Hello world. It is already 12:25 a.m. I just want to prove that I can do something before I get bed because we're starting. So I chose automation. I know this internship is meant for people who are like super duper good, who have some knowledge about like what they want to do internship in, but I'm gonna rugged it till they send me out. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Let's see what tricks I'm gonna put on my sleeves to see how far I'm gonna get till stage 5. Stage 5 is the goal, guys. Stage 5 is the goal. If I move beyond stage 5, it's a miracle. This is just me trying to cope with being sent out before the end. Okay. Sorry for the way this whole setup look like. But the plan is, I'm gonna try and do my work while streaming live. I don't know how many data that's gonna kill. I don't even know if I'm gonna have good connections every time that I try doing this. But I'm gonna try anyway. Wish me luck. I've tried Zapier before in the past. I've tried Make. Make always break my heart. The last time I tried Make, it did put something into my Google Sheets quite alright. The only issue with Make was I was following some tutorials and there was always something missing. Like I'll be looking for a particular talking too much is not gonna help us anyway. So let me just get to it because it's already midnight already. I don't know what I think I'm doing. Yeah, before I continue, I think I have to share this link with where this place is meant to be. It's just that I couldn't. Okay, it's too much. It just if you don't know what that means, it's too much talk. Like that's the issue. Get to work and stop talking, girl. Too much talk. I'm gonna be off screen eventually because the girl is droopy. Okay. Before I do that, let me quickly share that link. You guys are gonna be very bored on here. I'm so sorry. I can entertain you with my whatever. Okay, I know this is cringe. It's cringe as hell. I know it's cringe as hell. Let it go, big hi. Oh my god. Oh, God, mercy. So this stream is uploaded. Let's go into YouTube and look for it so that I can send it to the right place. Whoever wanna join me can join me. I know I'm cringe, and that's why this is gonna be supposed to be for her spew channel because it's gonna be all cringy. I think the most amount is supposed to be my journal, quite right, but I feel like whatever this is that I'm trying to do should be on her spew, and that's why that was not why I created it, to be fair, but I don't think it's supposed to be on Moon Smiles. Moon Smiles precious to me, and this, whatever this is, it's just hard. It's hard. Okay, it's just I'm losing my mind because it's midnight already. Okay. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Which side have I landed by you? But maybe so can superstar. I don't know. That makes me feel like this. I know who you are. But you must be second a superstar. I don't know what it is. That makes me feel like this. I don't know who you are. But you must be second a superstar. I don't know it makes me feel like this. I don't know who you are. But you must be second a superstar. I don't know what it is that makes me feel like this. I don't know. So I'm trying to see if this thing is coming on. It doesn't particularly look like it's working. Or is it because I don't know. It's working. It's working. Yeah. So I have to reduce the sound of this so that the static goes away, because that was zooming. Sorry if you guys are still waiting here. This is gonna be the way it's gonna be. I'm so sorry. Maybe I'll learn eventually to make better streams eventually. Oh girl. I'm just proud of you. I know you're trying. I know it doesn't seem like the genius do. They do way better, they do way more. And here I am struggling with the bare minimum. Oh God, I'm high on myself. I can't entertain myself. I think that's the beautiful brain of INFPs or ADHD or whatever the hell it is that's wrong with my brain. Like, I can't entertain myself, because that's the only way people do this content creation. Like, I'm entertaining myself. I'm basically talking to myself. Like, bruh, I think all content creators are probably crazy. Okay. Let me move on. Let me move on. Let me move on to the next thing that I'm about. Let me move on. Let me move on to the place where I belong. Where I belong. Where I'm meant to be. Let me go. Let me go to the place where I belong. Let me go where I belong. Let me go to where I belong. Yeah, this girl is trying to listen. Join me on the stream, let us find our way. Join me on the stream, let us find our way. Join me on the stream, let us find our way. No. If only you told me that I'm making you proud. If only I could be proud of myself too, that I wouldn't have to doubt myself every single time. Said he created enemy. I know I'm a widow, so I stay in my lane. So lucky I have friends despite my good look. She just being herself, doing some things we don't know for real. Now only her understands herself. Now only her get everything she did do. Now only her understand herself. Now only her getting everything she did do. Do 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 do. I think I've got my face this time. The only issue I have with automations is the fact that they can fail, and then I don't usually know. I do everything by the letter, and then it fails. Like, tell me something we I know for you do. Okay. Listen, how many minutes have we been streaming? I hope we are still streaming. I don't think I want to check if I'm streaming on my other phone. I'll have to do that. Doesn't matter. To get the work done, I beg. It's not about the streaming. It's about getting things done. That is the aim. That is the goal. Getting things done. It's not the stream itself. It is getting things done. Understood, young lady? Eh? Young, understood, old woman. Okay, is that what you want me to say? Girl, you crazy. You're acting like the good cup. You're acting like the bad cup. What are you? Oh my God. So do we move on? I think I don't want to be on the screen anymore. I think that's the right thing to do. Yeah. You guys don't need to see this. I just got disconnected. Oh no. I just got disconnected. And then I got reconnected. What am I supposed to do? I can't keep this thing on 3. You know what? Should I just on that? Should I on that? So that I know? But I thought streaming was not the reason we're here. But why was I disconnected? I thought it was because I closed this page. Guys, bear with me. Just bear with me. Let me just think so that I might have to be addressed, because it seems like really, forgive me. We'll start. We will eventually start, okay? We eventually start. I'm having this in me. Da, 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 da. He doesn't know. Oh. Da, 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 da. He hopes that things will be alright. I know that sounds terrible. We're just trying to see if the connection is okay, and we will get started. Okay, I think, let me see. I think we are live again. Hello. I'm not sure if the network is okay. It shows that I'm live on here. Okay, I think it's showing this now. I think there's a lag. Yeah, let me just be able to see it. Because if I put the voice on, it's going to be yeah, my network is bad. My network is bad. My network is bad. My network is bad. Yeah, the network is bad. But remember, the goal is to create, not to stream. Are we good? We are good. We are good. So we're moving on. I'm sorry. We are absolutely going to move on. If I think that I'll put my face here, it's going to be distracting, this scene. So I'm sorry. I think we should let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Yeah, no. I'm to remove my face. Okay. I think that does it. That does it. So we're here now, guys. Sorry you can't see my face, but you can hear my voice if the network is still good. Okay, so I just created this account now, and it is the way it is. So I need to check what my assignment is. My assignment is I'm supposed to kind of use, I think, Google Sheets. To automate some things from Zapier that would now go into Google Sheet. Now I don't know if I'm supposed to use AI to help me out. I don't even know if AI is free or paid on here. Am I cheating? I really want to know how to create what I want to create though. But if I get frustrated, AI is the best friend. So let's see. Here we have something that says, "Since Google Sheets automation ideas to organize your business." Two things are guaranteed in workplace: coffee and spreadsheet. I don't drink coffee. Google Sheet is one of the most widely used spreadsheet app, and if you haven't used it, you likely use something similar as a part of your work. So where do we start from? Do we go watch videos on how to do this, or anyway? I think we have to create a Zap. So let's go. I think I have to review my assignment very well. I don't want to show the Slack channel. I think it's not appropriate, and part of the rules is you don't share other people's chats unless with permission. So I think it's most right that I don't do that. I think we're gonna title this stage 0 automation task. I think that's all I need to call it. Automation command task. Task. I think HNG 13 task. Okay. So what's the trigger? So let me go, and I'll have to come back to this training eventually. But first of all, let me go on Slack and find out what it is that they need us to do. I feel it's the easiest one so far, because the video one, guy, I'm a quack. Anyway, so let's see. I'm gonna read it out. I've watched the video that came with it, and I think I understood what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to create a Zap that automatically fills a spreadsheet, and the Zap has to have a full name. It has to have, I think, a full name, what again? An email address, and a Zapier generated unique field. So it's gonna be like the primary key kind of thingy, and all these things are to be submitted and to form a role inside my spreadsheet. So let's see how we go about it. So that is the main idea of what I got. So it says the goal of this stage 0 task is to demonstrate your foundational ability to set up and successfully execute an automation using Zapier. This task can be completed with using automation. Okay, they said nothing manual. Manual data entry will not be accepted. Like, what's the use of Zapier if you are manually doing it? Anyway, so watch the task video for further explanation. I think I'll watch it again eventually. So what you need to deliver: a fully executed Zapier automation that adds a fully executed Zapier automation that adds a single row of data to your personal Google Sheet. The automation, that's the Zap. The platform is Zapier. The action, creates a new row in your own Google Sheet. So that's the main thing that we want to do. So the Google Sheet row content, the new row created by the Zap must contain 3 specific pieces of information, as your full name, your email address, a Zapier generated unique field. Those are 3 things. So it's going to be a unique ID. If it's not an ID, it could be a timestamp or a unique value created within Zapier itself. It could be any of those things. This is the proof of that the automation ran. So submission requirements: you must submit 2 clear screenshots that validate the successful execution of your automation. Number 1, the first screenshot, Google Sheets. I don't think you guys need that. Let's go to making this thing work first. Aliwana, we cannot be working on that. Yeah. So let's see how we can make it work. Do we first tell AI we need help or something? So what's gonna be the trigger? At this rate, they didn't actually give us an idea of what the trigger might be. So I just assume that if I press something, it will create something. So let's say the trigger, set the event that starts your Zap. Let's see. This is the beginning of the end. 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 So what is I'm just thinking, is Zapier that's generating this stuff here? Is it like a schedule? Do we make it like a schedule? Do we make it like let's see. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to think here. So I'm not supposed to. Sorry that I'm boring, but I'm trying to think for myself since I'm alone in this stream. So I'm let's say for instance now I want to. So like it's supposed to happen automatically inside Zapier, and I'm not supposed to input my email. Okay, WhatsApp is a way we can use Slack, right? Oh my! I have an idea. Like, I don't know if I can connect that Slack with this Slack or something. Do you know that idea where if I connect our Slack to this, I don't want to use Slack. I don't want to use Slack. Why not? Because I'm not sure if I have the permission to use Slack, and I don't want to get into any trouble. But I'm thinking if I'm able to use Slack here, and I go to my DM, right, and then and then like there's gonna be like a Slack place here, and then I input. But remember this, it's not supposed to be manual. Yeah, I know, right? The thing is, I'm gonna be on Slack, and then I'm gonna input whatever, like my email and my name. They said nothing manual. Yeah, it's still nothing manual. Relax. And then as I input that, Zapier is gonna take that. It's gonna receive that information. That is going to be the trigger, the fact that I sent something through my DM, and it's going to take that trigger, and when it takes that trigger, that will be the trigger for the whole system. Once that happens, the whatever our automation will kind of run and then send information from my DM to the Google Sheets. What do you guys think? I think that's it. I think the cocoa of the matter will say, can I actually make this work? Go of the matter. I need to go and sleep. I have work tomorrow. HNG. It's just that I really want to submit this early because I still have video editing that I want to do. And video editing, I need all the time in the world to be in the mood. Okay. I chose Slack because I don't know what I'm up to. How am I gonna do this? I'm not logged in on Slack here, and I wouldn't want you guys to see what I'm doing, so. Oh god. Gosh. Anyway, let me first see if it's gonna work. I don't even know if it will work, or what you guys want to do. I don't say choose event, so whichever event that I'm doing. New channel triggers when a new channel is created. New channel member triggers when a new channel. Ooh, this is so cool. Yeah. Oh, it was new channel. Oh, that's so nice. New file triggers when new files updated to your workspace. No. New mention triggers when the username or highlight word is mentioned in public channel. Can you do DMs, please? Okay, let's see. New message posted to a channel. No. New message posted to a private channel. Don't go into private channel. New public message posted anywhere. No. New pushed message triggers when a message is pushed from Slack. who is pushing something? New reaction added. New saved message. Triggers when you save a message. New team custom emoji. Triggers when a custom emoji has been added to a team. New user triggers when a new Slack user is created, first joins your organization. So I guess pushed is the answer. The only thing is I don't know what push means. Somebody save me. Somebody save me. So yeah, let's continue. So let's say we have I'm supposed to sign now. Sarah's thunder. So I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to go back to OBS and I'm gonna put up my big head inside. Let's see, what do we have here? What do we have here? What do we have here? We have here. We have here. We have here. Yeah. We were not meant to see that last stuff, but it's happening anyway. So this guys, what you guys are going to be seeing for the next few minutes till I get this sorted out. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Let's check this today. She needs to learn. She needs to know. She needs to get better at this. She needs to know. She needs to get better. She needs to know. She needs to get better. Sorry, the network sucks, yeah. Remember, this is all about me. Me. Who you, I don't give a damn. If you don't give a damn about me, then what will I do? My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess, still believe when I'm with you, I'll lose my mind. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess. When I'm with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign. Give me, baby, one more time. Yeah? My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. It's not the case. message. How did somebody message themselves, Jerry? Alright, so you have that messages with myself. So I'm messaging myself. Okay, so first of all, let me come back to normal. Yeah, let's go back to normal. No, we can't go back to normal. I need to first search. You guys ever check this? I just hope I'm safe on the internet, because what the hell am I doing at now? Okay, so we want to check what our pushed message. Waiting on mail, this thing. So a push Slack message is a Slack message sent to another app or service, such as Salesforce or Evernote, to be saved or processed. I don't know how that works, man. This is often done with a feature in Slack's More Actions menu or through automated workflows like Zapier. It allows users to copy important conversations or information out of Slack for external storage, task management, or record keeping. My. Do we have to use a channel? I don't really want to use a channel. Do I have to use another, like... Yeah, I knew Slack wasn't going to be a good idea. Anyway, okay, sorry guys, I left you guys on red. Okay, I'm going back, I'm gonna be a good girl now. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna be a good girl now. Alright, so here we are. And push Slack message is an app or service such as Salesforce or Evernote. And from what I'm seeing here, it said you can manually select a message, click the More Action button, and then choose an integration to send the message. So first of all, I have to check my Slack. As you can see, I can't really, I don't think I can really show you the Slack channels. I'm sorry guys, I really don't want to get in trouble, darling. So sorry. I'm being a bit sick of looking at all this. And it's maybe later, I don't know, just got into the Slack stuff, so I said to push. There's three dots. It says create and find workflows and apps. Schedule. Okay, that's fine. I think I have a good idea of what I'm supposed to do now. And that is I can't find anything that looks like what I want to do. The more stuff says I don't have what it takes. Okay, because I think usually what you need to use is supposed to be channels. I don't think I can create my own channel. It doesn't even make any sense. It's stupid. Okay, so let's make it easy for me. You're gonna do shit to shit to Zapier to shit. That's it. I'm sorry guys. Or email to Zapier to shit or something. Okay, let's go back to Zapier. Yeah, let's just go back to let's go back to Zapier. go and see what we can do over there. I'm sorry. So we are no longer going to use Slack anymore. I was a joker. I am joker. I was joking. How about Google Calendar? So more like people who watch on the Google Calendar. Say we are kind of trying to schedule. So if a person scheduled something in their email and name, let's see if this works. Let's see what are the things that are on the calendar. Like, I don't even know what event triggers do we have. Event cancelled. What thoughts is that from my line? There's one event cancelled. Event ended. New calendar, new event. I think I'm overthinking this actually. I really think I'm overthinking this. How about a click of a button or something? But then how will they get the information? I need a trigger. And that's the only thing I can think of. How we trigger the damn thing. Forgive me. I need to sleep. Work is plenty tomorrow. Triggers when an event is created or updated. Triggers when an event is created that matches a set. Triggers when an event is created. Triggers when a calendar is created. Triggers when a specified amount of time before an event starts. Triggers when an event ends. Triggers when an event is cancelled. Nothing that I'm looking for exists here. Should we just go to Google Docs? Like, I can't do this anymore. Right. Oh, okay. How about jot form? Like, you create a form that captures like leads information and then sends it to spreadsheet. Perfect, my darling. Where has your brain been all this while? Anyway, so let's try jot form. Just so I don't have a jot form account. It doesn't matter. It's gonna be a lot. Let's click on this. So what events do they have? Just two things? It says new signed document. Is it that I don't know what jot form is? Triggers when a signed document is received. Rare. New submission. Triggers when a new submission has been added to a specific form. Sounds about right. Yes, that sounds more like it. So connect drop form. So since I don't remember if I have a drop form, I can. So we're going to create one. What I don't know is why my phone is making noise. I can't see the notification. I have no idea what's making noise about it. Just distractions. It's my ADHD brain or my, I don't know. I'm just excuses, okay? I just have excuses. So account HIPAA compliant. If you aren't sure, go to account and check whether your account type is HIPAA compliant. I don't even have a freaking account. Am I supposed to have that first? I suppose so. Shall we go find ourselves a job form account? Since that's what you want to do now. It's called job form. I just hope I don't have to pay money, because if I have to pay money, we can't pay. Because that's the other crazy part. Like, you could end up going to a website right now, and you have to pay all the money you're counting to make it walkie. Something like that. So, are you guys still seeing my screen? I believe you really are. Yeah. Don't send me messages, I beg you. Don't send me spam messages. I don't have energy. Energy babble. Oh, drop phone, send me something. Like, okay, so I'm a novice. When it comes to Salesforce, like, I've seen it for like nearly a decade now. I still don't know what Salesforce means because I never took the time to learn it, you know. So it's all my fault. It's all my fault. So what are we creating? I'm sure AI agent is gonna take my mind. I'm sure it's enough. Make a downloadable mobile app with no coding. You kidding me? You kidding me? E-form, create documents that can be signed on any. Oh, I see. Anyway, so this is what we want. Create forms with logic, payments, and information. Like, are you guys kidding me? This is like everybody's dream right here. Whoa. You can't even use AI is everywhere, guys. Like, AI is taking over. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So do I make AI generate it for me, or do I want to go the old way? Generate a form in seconds with job from AI. What I don't know is, I don't know if it's what I don't know if it is free or not. But it's standing there, just use it. Just use it. It's saying beta. Beta's like free. And since this is not even the real assignments, why do I want to wreck my head about something? So, I want an opt-in form. I want an opt-in form that captures full that's about it. Okay. Huh? Listen. Your phone misled you. What do you want to do next? No, see, man. Waiting me is upload organization logo okay. I beg. Say waiting. I just need phone in my life, you know. I don't know what I need next. Go pilot, you could go sit down. Okay, is this the way it looks like? You know, we'll do this later, okay? We can always do this later, okay? So if full name has a first name and last name, and then an email address. I thought we were just gonna put a full single line. What do you think? Should they be on different lines or the same line? Let me check. They just said they needed to see the full name. I'm not sure that. I don't like all this nonsense, Charlie. What's going on here? DevOps. As you can see, I don't know. What's this one? V. Virtual assistant. Thank God I'm not one. I can't imagine having anybody as a virtual assistant. Like, I need virtual assistant working for me. I have bird brain. Virtual assistant is like, you're trying to kill me right now. I have to have no other job in this world to be anybody's virtual assistant. Like, bruh. Ugh. Can't imagine having to manage like 3, 4, 5, 10 people. Like, no, count me out. I can still try and do a customer care. Can't imagine being a virtual assistant or my assistant. If you, I might try it because it's not my job. Like, it's not my own platform. Because if it's my own platform, I'll just be losing myself with the anxiousness. Like, my brain will fly out. But if it's working for somebody else, it's more like a job, and I can see the output. Like, you think logically while working on it, but when it comes to myself manage my own social media, I don't know. Okay, so they just need a full name and an email address. I think it just should be full name should just be a single. Like I don't edit that. I don't have energy Bible or so how do you edit this thing, man? Is this how to edit it? Form designer. What's going on? Guys, I'm sorry. I'm just ringing this thing. Kuma is stream for me to ring things, so it's not like something serious. I was trying to add elements. Can't I edit this thing? Oh, thank God. Thank God. So this one is it for this full name here. I just want to have a singular field, yeah, so I want this to actually be full name. But like, it's a cumbersome form. I'm trying to see if I get the information from here and then inside Zapier I'm like, put these things together. Yeah, I think we could go with this. We could go with this, yeah. I think we could go with this. I think we're good. Yeah, these are the two things that I need, right? I'll go fix it inside Zapier. So my stuff is okay. So there's a setting. What is the setting about? Enter a name for your form. I'll just call it opt-in form. Opt-in form. We never even start with what we want to do. Never zap. We never zap. Okay, so the form is currently visible and able to receive submissions. That's beautiful. Encrypt form data. Encrypt your form responses to store sensitive data. Nothing like that. I beg. That's all that I need. Maybe that's all that I need. So publish. So my form is published and you can access my form right here. Good, beautiful, amazing. Okay, so we are now to return back to the Zap, right? So we are now supposed to okay, I think we're supposed to come here. So yeah, there's no HIPAA on my phone. I don't need that. Do you use European data centers? I don't know. It's like just please. Like I said, it says authorize Zapier to your job form. Hi friend, please authorize. So app would like to be able to do the following: read your user details, use your phone details, read and write submissions, allow. Okay, so used in one Zap. Woohoo! I'm excited. So it says we need to click on continue. So I'm to choose form. Yeah, this is the form that we'll be using. We continue. So it says test your trigger. To confirm your trigger is set to correctly, you'll find recent submissions in your account. Not anything in there. So how do I test trigger? No submission found. Create a submission in your account and test again. Okay, so let's go to my beautiful form and what shall we impute? Speak. know people are always securing their emails like the world's come to an end. I'd better not use her spiel for anything special. Because oh, okay. Interesting. Intéressant. Intelligente. So please drag the elements on the right to the shape that is most similar. I think that it looks most similar to this one. And this one looks most similar to this one. I can verify this, I'm so sure. Okay. Jot form is quite cumbersome, but it's all for safety. Thank you, your submission has been created. Now create your own jot form, it's free. Create your own jot form, not create my own jot form. Okay, so let's go back here. And let's test trigger again. Ooh, that's beautiful. What did it say? We found records in your jot form account. We will load up to 3 most recent records that have not appeared previously. Submission A. I think this one is enough. So continue with selected record. So I think let me check my assignment again. It's Google Sheet Abby because I cannot come and be. So where are we taking it to? Google Sheets. So as you Google Sheet, I did not say anything bad. I said good words. Okay. I said don't let us down. Yeah, that's what I said. Okay, so choose an event. So change sheet properties. Update Google Sheet properties like frozen rows, columns, sheet position, and visibility settings. Is that what you want to do? Clear spreadsheet rows. Clear the contents of the selected row or rows while keeping the rows intact in the spreadsheet. Copy range. Copy data from one range to another within a Google Sheet spreadsheet with options for what to paste, values, formatting. Copy worksheet. Create a new worksheet by copying an existing worksheet. Okay. Create conditional formatting rule. Apply conditional formatting to cells in a Google Sheet spreadsheet based on their values. Create multiple spreadsheets rows. Create one or more new rows in a specific spreadsheet with line item support. I think this is what we want to do. Create spreadsheet. Create a new spreadsheet. Choose from a blank spreadsheet a copy of an existing one or one with headers. Okay. Create spreadsheet column. I think a column is what I want to create now. It can't be say like it will have a row and different columns basically. So because there's going to be a column for email, a column for the unique whatever, and a column for is in the other one, and a column for another column, so okay. Create spreadsheet column. Create spreadsheet row. Create row at top. Create a new spreadsheet row at the top of the spreadsheet after the header row. Create worksheets. Create a new worksheet in a Google Sheet. I don't want to be creating worksheets. I just want to edit the damn freaking worksheets. Just let's have one worksheet and let's just put things inside. I beg in the name of God. Format cell range. There's a format cell range again. Apply dates, number, start formatting. I don't know what's going on. Rename sheet. That's not the aim of this problem. Set data validation. Set data validation rules on range of cells in Google Sheets to control what data can be entered. That's an interesting thing. But that's not what we are here for. Sort range. Sort range within a specific range in Google Sheets by choosing column in ascending order. No. Not waiting we did before. Do that. Update spreadsheet rules. Hey, now you're making sense. Update one or more rows in a specific spreadsheet with line item support. Update a row in a specific spreadsheet with optional formatting. This is an advanced action which makes a raw HTTP request that includes this integration's authentication. Find worksheets, get data range, get many spreadsheet rows, get row by ID. Get row by ID. Get a specific spreadsheet row by its row number ID. Row 1 is typically the header row. I actually need to create an ID. Get spreadsheet by ID. Look up spreadsheet row. Find a specific spreadsheet row based on a column and value. If found, it returns the entire row. Optionally, create a spreadsheet row if none are found. Oh, this is a good idea. If found, it returns. Look up spreadsheet rows advanced. Find up to 500 rows based on a column of value as line items. So which one did we decide that we want to go for? Should we want to create? There's so many possibilities here. I think this is what we need. I think so. Let's see if it's going to work out. Because I'm trying to see how to make that work. What happened? This is so. Let's do this right. I can do it. Is this even safe? Shut up. Wow. Okay. Do we have a different drive to my Google Drive? I'm not sure I have any spreadsheets. So it says no options are available. For some reason this could be happening. Confirm if you connected the right account. Confirm that there's data in the partner app. Confirm that you have permission to the data in the partner app. There was an issue retrieving data from the partner app. Please try again. So basically, for me, I actually don't have any spreadsheet at the moment. My account's like, waiting you they do, opening all kind of account. So the Google spreadsheets to work with, like, are we not creating? Okay, it's because we are editing a particular Google sheet. What does custom mean? Custom values allow you to enter a value that's not available in the list of static options. I don't know what's going on. And now, so basically all I have to do is create me a Google sheet. A sheet of Google. Oh my god. So now yeah, we did Google Sheets. I guess this is sheets of like Google. Have a Google sheet. Just sign me in. I don't have any. Oh, I don't have to even do that. Oh god. I feel like I know this. I'll just go here and find what I was looking for. So this is gonna be the. You just be shouting some people say still share by so so it is a spreadsheet and this is gonna be stage 0 task. What's wrong? Why am I writing task? Spreadsheet for nobody should come and take my photo. So I've created whatever. So I've created a spreadsheet. Okay, so let's go back. So I think we can check refresh results. Yippee! So we choose that. As you create a spreadsheet, you open the worksheet and new. The specific worksheet within the spreadsheet to work with. Oh, that sounded so sweet. So I believe this is sheet 1. We're fine with sheet 1. Thank you. What shall we return? Sheet 1. Thank you. Okay, so now what is happening by you? So there's something called frozen rows count. What does that mean? Number of rows to freeze at the top keeps headers visible while scrolling. Okay. That'll be full name, email, serial number. Right? Yeah, that should be full name, email, and serial number. Okay. It does happen. Internship. What is happening? You know what? I told you guys I'm gonna be reading this. Maybe I should just give up already and just go on my leave in peace and forget about HNG, because what is this buying thing? So let me see. It says new submission in job form. Okay, in job form. This is coming from job form. It's coming from job form. Okay. So so we have frozen columns and frozen rows. Do I need frozen rows? I do need frozen rows. Yeah, I don't actually need frozen rows, but I do need frozen columns. Columns are the ones from top to bottom. Rows are across. Yeah, the rows are meant to be dynamic in this instance. So what is it? Step outputs. Is this submission ID? The way they want it to be, they say it's either a timestamp or it's a timestamp. Let me see. They did say it could be a timestamp, which I can select any of these ones, right? They said it's Zapier generated unique field. Zapier generated unique field. Alright, make our first go find out what is Zapier generated unique field, because me, I don't know math. So Zapier does not have a single dedicated unique field type that automatically guarantees uniqueness across all integration. However, you can generate unique identifiers within your zaps using various methods. However, you can generate unique identifiers within your zaps using various methods, often involving a combination of Zapier's inbuilt features and app-specific functionalities. I think I think it's right. All those things that I was saying there, I think timestamp based uniqueness utilize the current time system variable available in Zapier. This provides a highly granular timestamp that is effectively unique for most practical purposes within a Zap run. Example, mapping current time into a field in a subsequent action to provide a unique identifier based on the precise time of the steps execution. What I don't know is where will I get that? Random string generation. Use the formatter by Zapier app and its number actions with the spreadsheet style formula transform. Employ the rand between formula to generate example to generate note. Combine existing field impertinent. I don't mind this one, except that what the hell is it talking about? App specific unique ID. That one I was trying to look for. I'm still here, I'm just trying to read and get what's going on. I'm like, what is this alpha, what did you say? Hello. Yeah, no, I really automatically create. I could have asked ChatGPT for this thing. Automatically creating new user ID when a new record user is created. Hello, I want to automate the creation of subsequent user IDs for each row and I need help. Please, what are the people say? Because who is you read the person? I don't really do. So what are they incrementing here? What are they doing? There's a key. I need to go and sleep. Okay, so I think I'll consume this thing for another time. Let me get to somewhere. Maybe I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. I think there is something I need to do. These people keep mentioning something. Okay.